Morning, everybody. I am going to do a project share. I've made some more cards, and I'm going to share what I made and what I made them with as much as I can. Okay, so this is my first one. Oh my gosh, this is from, I don't have the stamp with me, but Anna White, Sweet Miss Daisy, her latest release. Isn't it cute? Little guy. So I think you saw me watercolor that, and I found a button in my stash, some twine. I used this set, I believe I just recently, for this background here, to cut out the stamped image. And her new gingham paper. Oh, so pretty. Spring mini gingham. So that was this is the blue here. And there I used a leftover scrap for that. So there's that one. I'm putting them on trays. Look at me getting all organized and everything. All right, this next one, I believe is a Sweet Miss Daisy as well. I found this colored. I have a lot of colored images and I'm really bad about not taking it the next step. So I did that with this one. So I fussy cut her out. And I even got out my Sizzix Big Shot. This is from my big top note die that I had bought when I was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. For her, I mounted her on, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff coming in here. Found this in my tags vault, Valentine's Day, so I put her on that, and then I just did little dashes around with a pen. Found this in my bow hoard. And then I pulled out this card, and then I put this here. So I think she turned out super cute. Very cute. I think this was Temu. So there's another one. And then, oh, this is probably my favorite one. Look at this birthday. I had colored him and cut him out using my some of my square dies that have stitches. I use an embossing folder. This paper's thinner, so it kind of wore it out, which I kind of like the texture it gives it. And then this is from one of the new Recollections or Craft Smart, whatever, paper pads, the fruity one. I found this gingham in there. I thought it was the perfect color. So look at Kim go. Hello. So look at this. I was going to cut out and stamp, and I thought, wait a minute, Kim, you just bought a bunch of thicker. Start using them. So I used this for these, and this is Happy Life. And then I used a bow from my bow stash. I just keep things in those big 13 by 13 or whatever cloth bins that you can buy behind me in my craft room. So I have bags of bow dies. So I used that. So what this did was cut out the outside. So then I laid it on top. I put some sticky down, put it on sticky, and then put it on, fussy cut it out from the red on top. Put it on top of red construction paper. I can't talk this morning. And then I just took my Copics and kind of colored parts of it darker. So yeah, and here's what I used. I am not OCD at all. I need to be a little more OCD. Anyway, and then I pulled out this Gina K embossing folder. So yeah, there you go. Kim's using her stuff. Buying more stuff, but using it. Oops, put that in there. And then, so I really like this card. Just saying, I'm very proud of that one. Then I was playing around and I had this bunny that I had watercolored. And so I thought, what am I going to do? So I was going through my bins of stash, tags and stuff. And I had some cut out, these big tags. And I just went to town. I just thought it turned out perfect. So then I cut this out of using this die that I got on Ally a long time ago. And then I put some stickers from a new, here we go. This one was Rainbow Avenue. And so I just picked some things out from that kind of pulled in these roses from this. I have no idea what I used to make this because this has been in there a couple of years. And then I had this. I'm loving. I've got more than one of these, and I'm glad I did. This is Moonlight Magic crepe paper. So I used one of the, you can see it's gone now. Here, I thought that was perfect. And then I got out my crinkle ribbons. And it's from My Scrap Cabin shop on Etsy. Quality Paper Crafts. My Scrap Cabin, I don't know if you can see that. She's on, you can get all kinds of bundles and colors. So I did that little one, or a big one. And then on the back, I could not find this die, and I was running out of steam. So I just cut this out and put it on the back to cover that. So I think that worked out okay. So I've got that one I made, and I made this one. And I made this one. Fun. Oh, I've been having fun making these cards, you guys, and shopping my stash. So there you go. So thanks for watching. Let me know which one's your favorite, and we'll talk soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.